In this video, I'm going to show you how to use hidden application on your Samsung phone. So if you hide some application on your Samsung phone from the Samsung phone home screen or the app screen, you'll not be able to have access to the application on your Samsung phone. Even when you use the search box and search for the application, let's say the camera app will not be available on your Samsung phone screen and you'll not be able to add the app to your home screen. However, this application is still on your Samsung phone. Now, to use this hidden application on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on apps to see all the apps installed on your Samsung phone. Then scroll down and locate the hidden application on your Samsung phone. In this case, let's say the camera application. Then tap on the open button. Once you hit the open button, the camera application will be opened and you will be able to use it on your Samsung phone. All the functions of the application will be working perfectly. You can also check other applications like the Facebook application that we hide on our Samsung phone. If you click on open it, then tap on the open button. There you see Facebook application will open on your Samsung device. So this is how to see and use hidden application on Samsung phone. If you found this really interesting, if you want to hit that button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.